Clever Cake Mo, welcome back to my channel. And what just happened? I just laughed. And guess who's here with me? 3, 2, 1. You'll find out. It's Jen. Hello.
Hello.
And guess what? She got her dream. Take it out. Take it out. Yeah, Neon Panda. Now it's time for me to get my Neon Bear, Polar Bear.
I know its name.
What? Oh no, I'm scared. Where are you gonna name it? Oh, don't mind my polar bear's name. I just randomly clicked on words that came up in my thing. So I clicked banana because from saying banana car and naming my pet banana bread. Then I saw car, and then since I said car, it brought up insurance. So now its name is Banana Car Insurance. I definitely want to name something Banana Car Insurance, but I don't know what.
I don't know why. That just popped in my head,
Wait, what'd you name it? Christmas candy? Meh. Yeah, it's okay. What am I gonna name my polar bear though? No, maybe you guys can decide, and I'll think about choosing one of your comments.
I'm naming it something else.
Christmas candy though? Why? I don't know. It popped in my head. Mine makes more sense for Christmas candy.
You hear nothing, okay?
Stop, Jenny.
I'm playing a different song.
Still.
What to name it? I know what to name.
You already said you had a name. I'm loving my polar bear right now. My dream's a neon polar bear.
You're not gonna. I feel like you won't get it at all. No.
What was it?
Booga.
Booga?
It's a Fortnite player.
Everything relates back to Fortnite with you, Jed. Oh, look, the rubbing noses. Well, I'm just gonna meet you at the gifts. Guys, wait. We'll cut back at the gifts.
I know what to do.
We'll cut back at the gifts and we'll show you Jen's name. Okay, ready? You guys ready for this cut? Wait, what are you do? Huh? I'm trying to make an epic cut. See you guys. How did we get here, Jen?
I don't know.
Okay, ready? We're gonna buy some new gifts because it's a new gift update.
Which one are we starting with?
I'm gonna buy it. Actually, maybe we should go smallest to biggest.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna buy a small one. Small gift. Shaky. I feel. Oh, I get it. Okay. Nick. Okay. You got the what? I got the floaty. Float.
I got the sunballoon. I have so many of them.
Sunballoon. I gave you your first one. Okay. Now I'm buying a big gift. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, I clicked something by accident. Okay, let's see. I have so many sodas already too. I'm going massive. 3, 2, 1. Watch you get the car. Oh.
What is this?
Yours is better. I feel like I'm buying another massive.
Damn.
Oh, I'm broke.
I'm shaky.
Shaky. Oh, you're lucky.
Whoa!
We're out. Sorry, gotta go. This is lucky. Hey, you can't lie. One time we were opening gifts. I bought one. You bought one. You got the banana car.
I ain't buying this. I care how broke I will be.
We're watching you. We'll watch you because I'm broke already. I'll move. I was not expecting that. Like, my heart felt weird.
No!
You got the butterfly roller skates. Those would be cool if they were blue.
I have 2 of them. I don't want it. You want it?
No, I'm good. Well, my polar bear just kind of like suffocating itself in the seat. Okay, wait, where'd you go?
I'm in school.
Why? I thought you were opening more until you're broke.
Not so I'm broke.
Wait, look, Jen, look, like, it, like, swerves, like, look, Jen, look, it still moves after I stopped, like, and why?
No!
Oh, you keep getting pink things. Your least favorite color. You're going towards pink more, just not, like, pretty pink. But, potato!
I got potato!
No. I'll buy a small gift. Smack you with a gift.
Snack.
No, I got the leash. Leash! You got another sun balloon. You got another sun balloon. We're gonna keep watching you. You wanna get in my car? Again? Look.
Wait, can I show you how many sunballoons I have?
Yes.
Actually.
6? You have 6 sun balloons already. Okay, come on, open one. You wanna get my car?
No, I'm not buying anymore.
You wanna get my car? You wanna get my car, child? You want me to kidnap you? I'd love to.
Yes.
Wait, why is my pet still named Banana Car Insurance? Come on,
don't know.
leave the school and you will see a car. I was not expecting to get this. Let's go. We look great. I'm gonna stop moving my car in 3, 2, 1, and we slide forward. Wait, Jen, if this is a hover car, does that mean it does things like the hoverboard?
Maybe.
Apparently not. The hoverboard you can drive on water, but apparently this you can't. I mean, you can drive it in water. At first, I thought this was a submarine. But guys, we have to talk about some tea. Okay, let's go with Jen. Yes, I said tea. We were hovering! I think it's because we fell into the water hardly. That did not sound right. Oh wait, I passed it. So people are saying like that the weather's getting warmer and that all the underground like sand and stuff, like it used to not be sand, it used to be rock. And like near the dock, that's somewhere around there. I'll show you guys. But look, wait, is it gone? Wait, what? Wasn't there like a crack in the bridge?
Mm-hmm.
Where'd it go?
It's this side.
It's gone.
Yeah. I don't know why.
Wait, what? Wait. I need to check something else. We're going. This used to be rock, I'm pretty sure. People were saying. And now it's sand. So if I really am hoping that the ocean egg is next, because when me and Jen was like, out of eggs, which one would you want next? Jen said mystical. Mystical would be sick, but I really want an ocean egg for some reason. I don't understand it, but I do. Like, that'd be so cool. Well, what are you doing? Clapping? Would you
Aesthetic gamer droid.
Aesthetic gamer droid? Uh-oh. This is scary.
She celebrates me.
I don't know if you guys remember. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, guys. Well, before this. Okay. So, guys. Well, we gotta go take care of something with the aesthetic. But, guys. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then leave a like. And we hope you guys. Oh my gosh, keep doing that back then. Have a good day. And if you guys like this, opening a few gifts, and you guys are as surprised with me giving the hover car as I am. Oh my gosh, I keep opening that. Then we hope you guys like this video. So like if you guys enjoyed it. And subscribe, guys. Bye, guys. Woo!